How to fix Snapchat audio. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this, scroll down and go to storage. Here go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear that and click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what's the last step guys? Go to notifications option, disallow it and allow it, and then go to permissions option, and here you have to allow all this access. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.